Connecting your Xumo Remote is essential for navigating your streaming experience. First, ensure your Xumo Box is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. To pair, simultaneously hold down the Home button on your remote and the pairing button on the Xumo Box itself for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED light on the box begins to flash. The remote may vibrate or beep to confirm a successful connection. Note that Xumo remotes use either IR, which requires a direct line of sight, or Bluetooth, which offers a more reliable connection and longer range up to 30 feet. If your remote isn't pairing, resetting it is the next step. For IR remotes, remove the batteries for about 10 seconds, then reinsert them. For Bluetooth remotes, look for a small reset button, usually on the back, and press it for 10 seconds. If issues persist, a factory reset of the Xumo Box may be necessary. Access this through Settings, Device, Reset. After pairing or resetting, thoroughly test the remote. Navigate through channels, adjust the volume, and if applicable, test voice command functionality. Electromagnetic interference can cause pairing failures, so ensure that the box is placed away from other electronic devices, like microwaves. If problems persist, the Xumo app offers a diagnostics tool to check signal strength and identify potential issues.